welcome to CAD Pro Tutorials. In this video, we'll be making a 2D practice drawing of the drawing on the left side of our screen. So let's start it. First, we have to draw our line, 12 units of height 4, and then we close it to form our rectangle. Then I'll make these small circles on the bottom of our drawing. That is the ones of radius 2.4 and 1.52 of diameters. So we have our diameter 2.4, and then we have another circle of diameter 1.52. So we'll have to move that to the desired location. So we move, we specify this as our base point, move 2 units to the right, and then we have to move it again 2.5 units up. So we specify our base point, move it 2.5 units up. So that's our location. Then we have to draw the bigger circles on top. So to draw that, we move to this midpoint. We move it later. The first one is of diameter. The biggest one is of diameter 8.2. And then the other one is diameter 4.8. And then you have the other one, the last one of diameter 3.6. So to move it, we first move it down like this, and then so that we can move it like 18 units up direct. So we select here and then move it 18 units up. So that's our point. So after this, we draw these other lines. We have from here, you have to click this one, toggle this on this quadrant, and then to draw our lines, we move here, draw it downwards like this. I did this so that I can just fillet it. So I will fillet, determine my radius of my fillet is 1.6. I will select my first object and then my second object. That's my fillet. So I will have to mirror this so that I can have it on the other side. So mirror, I will select my objects, and then determine my mirror line. So this is my mirror. This is my mirror. Then I have to mirror this other circle to this other direction too. So I will mirror. I will select the objects that are on the mirror, that is this two, and then determine my mirror line. So I have mirrored it already. So the other line that is here, around here, I will have to offset this 1 unit up. So I will offset distance is 1. I will select my object and then offset it 1 unit up. I will have to offset this other line to 4.8 up. So I will offset, my offset distance will be 4.8 in this case. Select my object, offset it 4.8 up. So that is my offset. Then I have to offset this to this side, this to this side, and then this other circle. So I will still offset. My offset distance will be 1.6 now. 1.6. The object that I want to offset is this, like this, and then this other one, offset it, and then this circle, I'll offset it. So what I will use now is to trim it so that I can have my figure. So I will trim. Select the object that I want to trim. That is this. I'm trimming them off carefully. No. So this is how you can easily draw the 2D solid, 2D shape. It is very easy to draw. You just combine the different commands you learn from your beginner's tutorial. Thank you. If you like this video, you can just subscribe, like and comment and share the video. Thank you. See you in the next video.